Right. Welcome to another episode, another amazing story, another video by me on this podcast. I want to podcast something. I want to say something. I want to speak about something. I want to tell you something. Share. I want to share with you something that I saw in Matebelen in Bulawayo. January to February 2025, this year, I was in Bulawayo doing my work, doing my business operations in Bulawayo, in Matebelen province. Right. The nature of my work, the nature and expression of my work and business operations was to, or maybe were to talk, communicate, and negotiate with the clients in the form of civil servants at every hospital, clinic, school, police station, everywhere where I find civil servants. I was to talk with them, or to negotiate business, seal deals, seal transactions with them, these civil servants of Zimbabwe or in Zimbabwe. Right. Then I came to these hospitals in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo town. Big hospitals. And I'm like, what is this? What am I seeing here? What am I seeing with my two naked eyes? What am I seeing with my two eyes? Two good eyes, two sharp eyes. What am I seeing here? I saw big hospitals. When I say big, I mean big, like B-I-G, big hospitals in Bulawayo town, in Bulawayo City. I was surprised down to the core. I was shocked down to the core. Look at these hospitals by the name Ingasheni, by the name UBH, United Bulawayo Hospitals, by the name Impilo. I'm like, what is happening here in Bulawayo? Very big hospitals with a lot of sections, a lot of segments, a lot of departments within the hospital. Ingasheni and UBH and Impilo in Bulawayo. I was very surprised. I was very shocked. I know maybe you're a NWA person and you're listening to me. You are hearing me talk about this. And maybe in your heart, in your mind, in your brain, you are saying, what is there to be shocked about? What is there to be surprised about? Okay, I understand. I know, I understand. But from my point of view, from my standpoint, as a guest in your city, as a guest in your town, as a visitor in your city, as a visitor in your town, for the first time in my life, the life that God gave me, as my first trip to Bulawayo, I was very surprised. I was very shocked. I hope now you see where I'm coming from. So this is where I'm coming from. I'm a guest, or I was a guest. I'm a visitor, or I was a visitor at that time, January and February 2025 this year, in your city, in your town, for the first time on my first trip. Point number two, again, it was a picture that you don't see in Harare, where I stay, where I live. Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe. You don't see something of that nature. 3 or 4 or 5 big hospitals in one town like that. And it made me to think that maybe this is one of the biggest difference between Bulawayo and Harare. Harare capital city and Bulawayo city. Maybe in terms of differences, when you're comparing and contrasting, in comparison, this is one of the biggest difference, largest or greatest difference in terms of hospitals, hospital infrastructure, hospitalization. When you fall sick, when you fall ill, you got an ailment in your body, you want medical checkup, medical examination, you want to go to the hospital. In Bulawayo, there's a lot of range, there's a lot of choices. Ingasheni, UBH, or this one, Impilo. You understand? But in Harare, the biggest one, the one and only that I know, that I always like the most, Harare Parenyatwa Hospital. Parenyatwa Hospital, the biggest one and the chiefest one in Harare. So I was very surprised, I was very shocked. I couldn't believe it. It was so unbelievable. Impilo Hospital, Ingasheni. Then you talk of this one, UBH, United Bulawayo Hospital. Big hospitals. Like I said, I mean big. like the real definition of the word big, B-I-G, big hospitals in one town, in one city. People in Bulawayo, Ndebele people under Matebele province, or the foreigners, or other tribes in Bulawayo, in Matebele, you are so blessed by God. You are so blessed because of this range of hospitals, because of these choices that you have right at your disposal. In terms of hospitalization, when you want to hospitalize yourself, or when you want to hospitalize your family member, when you want to hospitalize your child, when you want to hospitalize your loved one, or whosoever you want to hospitalize in your province, Matebele, in your city, Bulawayo, you've got a lot of choices, a lot of range, where to choose from, where to pick from. Either you BH, or you go to Ingashen, or you go to this one, Impilo Hospital. Again, like I said, within each hospital, a lot of sections, departments, a lot of categories. This one, I cannot even explain it. That's how big they are. That's how colossal or massive or voluminous that they are. I was so surprised. Anyway, I'm done talking. Put your comments in the comment section. Put your comments in the comments box. I'll see you there. We'll talk further about this one. Based on what I've said, what are comments? What do you say? Let's talk further in the comment section, comment box, about the hospitals in Bulawayo, about the hospitals in Matebele province that I saw when I was there in January and February 2025. Let's talk further. Join the conversation in the comments box. I'm done talking. Peace and sharp. And sharp.